Bask, B-A-S-K. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to enjoy warmth or comfort, to lie or expose oneself pleasantly in a pleasant or relaxing environment. Sentence, after a long hike, they found a sunny spot to bask in the warmth of the sun. Synonyms, sunbathe, relax, luxuriate, lounge. Antonym, shiver, freeze, avoid. Bastard, B-A-S-T-A-R-D. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a person born to unmarried parents, an illegitimate child. Sentence, the novel revealed the secret of the protagonist's true identity as a bastard son of a nobleman. Synonyms, illegitimate, love child, out-of-wedlock child. Antonym, legitimate, lawful, legal. Bastion, B-A-S-T-I-O-N. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a fortified place or stronghold, a person, place, or thing that strongly defends or upholds certain principles or beliefs. Sentence, the old castle served as a bastion of defense during times of war. Synonyms, stronghold, fortress, citadel, bulwark. Antonyms, vulnerable point, weak spot, open area. Bate, B-A-T-E. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to restrain or moderate, to lessen or reduce in intensity, force, or amount. Sentence, he couldn't bate his excitement as he waited for the final exam results. Synonyms, diminish, decrease, lessen, temper. Antonyms, increase, intensify, heighten, provoke. Battalion, B-A-T-T-A-L-I-O-N. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a large organized group of soldiers, typically composed of several companies and forming part of a regiment. Sentence, the battalion marched in perfect formation during the military parade. Synonyms, regiment, brigade, unit, division. Antonyms, individual, solitary, lone. Bauble, B-A-U-B-L-E. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a small, inexpensive trinket or decoration, something of little value or importance. Sentence, she wore a bauble necklace that added a touch of sparkle to her outfit. Synonyms, trinket, ornament, knick-knack, gewgaw. Antonyms, valuable item, treasure, significant possession.
Copyright
Body,
KOGENT
B-A-W-D-Y. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, dealing with sexual matters in a comical or irreverent way, humorously indecent or risque. Sentence, the stand-up comedian entertained the audience with his body jokes and anecdotes. Synonyms, ribald, risque, vulgar, indecent. Antonyms, clean, decent, proper, modest. Bearing, B-E-A-R-I-N-G. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the manner in which one carries or conducts oneself, the way in which one behaves or presents oneself. The direction or relative position of something in relation to another. Sentence. Her confident bearing made her stand out in the crowd. The compass can help determine the bearing of a ship. Synonyms. Conduct, demeanor, attitude, posture. Direction, orientation, heading, position. Antonyms. Misconduct, misbehavior, disorientation, misalignment. Beatific, B-E-A-T-I-F-I-C. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, blissfully happy or joyful, having a serene and radiant expression or appearance. Sentence, the child's innocent smile had a beatific quality that melted everyone's heart. Synonyms, serene, ecstatic, blissful, radiant. Antonyms: sad, sorrowful, miserable, troubled. Beatitude, beatitude. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, supreme blessedness or happiness, a state of perfect bliss or contentment. Sentence: the monk meditated in search of spiritual enlightenment and the attainment of beatitude. Synonyms: happiness, bliss, joy, ecstasy. Antonyms: misery, suffering, anguish, sorrow. Bedizen, bedizen. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to dress or adorn in a showy, gaudy, or excessive manner. Sentence: the performer was bedizened in a flashy costume with sequins and feathers. Synonyms: decorate, adorn, embellish, deck out. Antonyms: undecorated, plain, unadorned, simple. Bedraggle, bedraggle. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to make wet, dirty, or untidy, especially by dragging through mud or water. Sentence: the heavy rainstorm caused her clothes to bedraggle and her hair to become soaked. Synonyms: drench, soak, dirty, draggle. Antonyms: clean, dry, tidy, spruce. Beeline, beeline. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning. Noun, the most direct or straight path between 2 points, a direct route. Verb, to go quickly and directly towards a destination. Sentence. Noun, he made a beeline for the exit after the concert ended. Verb, she beelined towards the nearest store to buy her favorite book. Synonyms. Noun, straight line, direct route, shortest path. Verb, dash, hurry, rush, speed. Antonyms. Noun, detour, roundabout, circuitous route. Verb, wander, meander, deviate. Befuddle, befuddle. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to confuse, perplex, or bewilder someone. Sentence: the complex instructions on the manual befuddled him, and he struggled to assemble the furniture. Synonyms: confuse, puzzle, mystify, bemuse. Antonyms: clarify, enlighten, clarify, illuminate. Beget, beget. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to give rise to, generate, or produce something, to be the father of a child. Sentence: the artist's imagination was known to beget extraordinary works of art. Synonyms: generate, produce, create, father. Antonyms: suppress, inhibit, stifle, prevent.